again in my eyes. I like winter all around there, arms wrapped down, swelling as I keep on thinking my face in this cold as a night. Heaven knows how in the ether I am, 'cause the angels have gone away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have flipped my wings and make her mine for all eternity. Now the angels have gone away from me, though they had the strength to set me free. Did what I did because I love it so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? I'm so tired of feeling getting for the wings, being all alone now in this elbow room that puts me in trance, where hopes and dreams come true. Now my lips are burning, in my eyes are hurting from this feels on me. Still like another cigarette just to pass my time. Oh, heaven knows how